All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another case study. I'm here with one of my mentoring students, and I'm so proud of him because not only did he close one deal, but he actually closed two deals. And we're here to talk about that and really break down this case study. So let me go ahead and welcome on my student, Greg Riley. What's going on, man?
Hey, how you doing, Chris?
Pretty good, man. So where you located? If everybody that's watching,
I'm in Montgomery, Alabama.
Alabama. All right, you born and raised there?
No, I'm from Mississippi.
Wow. What made you move to Alabama?
Work.
Gotcha. Okay. So have you had any real estate experience prior to joining the mentorship program?
Yes, I actually currently live in the duplex, a house hack. So I live in one side and rent out the other.
Dope, 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 dope. Okay. So what made you get interested in like want to get into like wholesaling?
Build more capital for my real estate. So I want to buy more properties. I want to flip properties. In order to do that, you have to build capital. And once the more capital you build, once you go to a bank, you can actually leverage that to
Right.
be able to get loans and stuff. So for me, it's more of a capital building tool to leverage my business moving forward.
Got you. Smart, smart. So you had some real estate experience, which is great. Most people don't have any experience, but that'll always give you an edge. And like, did you have any like fears going into wholesale? Like, man, do I know? Am I going to be able to do this? Am I not? Or
Not really fears per se, because what I do for a living, like I do sales for a living.
got you.
So that's like what I actually do. So far as that part, no. The biggest thing that was getting in my way was me, because I was like, well, I don't have time to try to build a buyer's list. I don't have time to try to find sellers. So once I came across your program and I saw the text messaging software, right, and I saw the call routing tools and stuff like that, I'm like, oh wow, okay. Well, this changes it for me because initially all I knew about was direct mail and cold calling. I
Mm,
don't have that kind of time, you know. But with a text message campaign, I can send a text message out. They respond. I can go back and take my notes, and I can follow up call the next day on my
right.
lunch break or something. So that works out better for me, which led me to go ahead and jump in.
Got you. So let's talk about these two deals that you closed. How did you come about finding these deals?
I pulled a vacant property. So the first one I pulled a vacant property list, our prop strength, and the second one was from tired landlords.
Mm, right.
So the first one, it was vacant for a while, probably like 5, 10 years maybe. Got the guy on the phone the first time. He wanted 20K for it, right? So I waited a couple days, called him back, and kind of got him a little bit lower. But the beauty of the actual text blast software is that when you text people, when you lowball them through a text message, they don't know it's you. So
Mm.
I lowball them in text, then I call them like that wasn't me to just lowball.
That's smart. Yo, that is smart. I ain't gonna
And
lie.
so what I do with that is I kind of be like, they answer the phone like, man, yeah, somebody just tried to steal it from us for this price. I said, man, I would never, I would never offer you that low for it. Oh my goodness, what are they doing? But that was really me.
Wow, that's smart. I used to see, I didn't think about doing it like that, but I used to tell one of my other friends as a wholesaler to call like and do stuff like that. Like you call and I'm gonna call after. I didn't think
Yeah.
about the text in there. That's smart. That's smart.
Because with the software, I mean, you're doing it from different numbers, right? So you're actually calling them from a totally different phone number.
Right, 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 right. I like that. I like that. Okay. So you locked up that deal. Was these deals in Alabama?
Yeah, both of them was in Montgomery.
No, Montgomery. Okay. So on both of these deals, how much money did you end up making?
So on the first one, I made 11,500, and on the second one was a smaller spread at about 2,500 to 3,000.
Okay.
So with the second one, to be completely honest, it was more so of me helping the seller. Um, I called her. She really, really wanted to get off of it. It wasn't in the best of area, and it needed a lot of work, right? So it was in one of them areas where you can buy it for 12, $13,000, but it still needed about 15, $20,000 worth of work. But the house is only appraised for like 45K. So you're really not gonna find people that want to buy in that area. But she from Detroit, haven't seen the property in 15 years. The tenant had died that was living there. She just wanted to get it off. So it was more so of I was able to actually help somebody with their situation.
That's nice. It's always good when you can help somebody and still get paid for it though, too, though. So that's dope.
Right.
All right. So looking back, man, one again, congratulations on closing both deals. I know that's just the beginning. You got other stuff already in the pipeline already. But would you recommend, someone getting started with the mentorship program?
Yeah, for sure. Like the best thing about the mentorship program, we have, of course, we got everybody is in the Facebook group, right? But the biggest piece is, we have the Voxer, we have one-on-one access to you, and then the other big piece is the Wednesday coaching calls. I know when I first started with the mentorship program, I used to take a lot of notes. And then another good thing that you do in the program is you set us up with accountability partners. And so as that happened, we asked each other so on Sundays, hey, what you got going for the week? And then by the end of the week, you following up. So
Mhm.
that's always good because once you get stuck, it's people in there that, I made 11.5 and somebody in the group just made 20, 30K, right? So it's like you in there with people that's doing more than you, done it longer than you, and you can really lean on them and ask them questions.
Right. Dope, dope, dope. Well, once again, man, congratulations. Like I said, I already know this is just the beginning. I see you making six figures, seven figures, and beyond. So congrats to you, man. I wish you nothing but more success, and can't wait to see what's gonna happen in 2021 for you, man.
And man, I appreciate it, Chris.